at random, really. Like we were planning our trip, and then we thought Dharamshala is a nice place, a spiritual place. We didn't know His Holiness would be here.
Nganchu chocham che Dharamsala lebyin kyang khosam kyamgyun chimbucho thada dir shu yoba shintu tuyun tungyu ring jega shik chungna nyamde teringwe su je war hajang ga chor chimbuchung gubucho ne nge gya ten nang song nge gyapshi tokcham che yimbe khonggi thadung shu gyapne ten nang song songzang tering khong je we kap tangshu khonggi chamje rangsing the chor song we kadin chimbu chor song nga Dharamsala theng thangbol lebyin be sacha dini hajang mixe chen shik re dula dir gumbucho gi chamje nube chinlap yoba chor thuki do.
I'm not sure that there are words that can describe it. It's so special, to...
Tering joka sing hajang gi mixe chen gi sorna shik chung. Khosakam gyun chimbucho ni nge gi gen tabur ngön jin chigi yebe theng dir gumbucho je ne khonggi gyule yebe chamje the chor thuba hajang sonam chimbuchung. Gumbuchogi sem sangbu chagyu the khonggi chuluk yingor sungba theni zambuling mi changme chortu be kalop shigre nge gumbuchogi thapar towe thundu jeba thinle gya che kyangbar thukje che shubayin